days in the forecast where it's not just crazy hot every day.
At the moment.
Well, that's in the forecast, but it's not the only thing in the forecast.
Yeah, this is actually a very active forecast. We're going to stay weather aware the next couple of days so that we're prepared for what's coming. But right now, it is beautiful outside. The humidity is down. We have sunshine and temperatures that are just barely above average. We're watching these storms right here. These are the ones that as they develop tonight, there is an enhanced risk for strong storms. Some of those are likely to track right down toward Ohio, and they may be here in the morning. And so that's why we're going to have to watch how those go during the overnight hours tonight. They can have a ripple effect on creating new storms later in the day. In the meantime, right now it's 85, and the breeze is variable. It's light, 5 to 10 miles per hour, and your humidity at only 37%. Dew points are in the 50s right now, so it is relatively comfortable. Easier Pass and Services heating and cooling current conditions. Bell Fountain's down to 79. Courthouse at 81. Logan at 81. Mount Gilead and Mount Vernon also at 81 degrees. And we're going to hover there for the next hour or so. By the time we get to 9 o'clock, Columbus will be down into the 70s. And your overnight lows, better sleeping weather, down to 63 degrees. Will be partly cloudy by the time the sun comes up in the morning. So here are those storms that we're going to watch overnight tonight. They're mainly from Chicago up toward Minneapolis, but they will track as they weaken overnight toward central Ohio. And even as they weaken, they can still have at least some thunder with them, and we may get some of that during the early part of tomorrow. By 8 in the morning, they're likely to be in the Toledo area. The line is starting to kind of fall apart as it gets into Columbus. But we may even see a few more pop up during the afternoon as those storms leave behind plenty of moisture and the good chance that there's some outflows that could actually cause some rising air. Then on Wednesday, whole different system, but a cold front coming in is going to give us the same effect. So we end up with scattered showers and thunderstorms in the morning. We get a break by the late morning and middle of the morning, and then it comes back again in the afternoon. That's the actual cold front right there. So that is why both tomorrow and Wednesday are going to be alert days. We're going to get these in waves over the next few days. So tomorrow, some in the morning, and then likely some pop-ups during the afternoon. The main threats out of these are going to be wind and hail. The tornado threat is pretty low, but not impossible. So that's why we're going to keep an eye on these. So for the morning and evening on Tuesday, basically Columbus up into Toledo, Cleveland, and Dayton. And then we move that to the southeast for Wednesday with another chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms on Wednesday. The dew points are going to still be pretty muggy on Wednesday. It's going to be a hot afternoon. Cold front goes through, and it starts to get much more comfortable by the end of the week. So here we go. Alert days, Tuesday and Wednesday. Watch for that. 89 degrees on Tuesday, 84 on Wednesday. A beautiful Thursday with sunshine and a high near 80 degrees. 88 on Friday. We're back into the 90s and humid on Saturday.